Hello students, hope all are fine and healthy. Myself, Mrs. Kokila Bhatia, teaching maths for standard 8 in Shet Vidya Mandir English High School and Junior College, welcome you all. Today we are going to learn and discuss chapter number 9, discount and commission. Children, before I start with discount and commission, I would like to know, do you know what is percentage? Yes, a percentage is a fraction whose denominator is 100. Percent means parts per 100. So what is a percentage? A percentage is a number or ratio expressed as a fraction of 100. For example, 47% means 47 out of every 100, that is 47 upon 100. 12 upon 100 means 12%, correct. 4% of 300 means 300 into 4. 4% means it has to, your denominator has to come with 100. So 300 into 4 upon 100. 0 gets cancelled of numerator and denominator. What is left? 3 into 4, which is equal to 12. Now we are going to study about discount, as to what is discount and at which price does it apply. We will learn and understand this concept and see how to solve, and you will be clear with discount. Now discount is that reduction, that is that we have to reduce the money and give on marked price. Now you will think, what is marked price? You must have seen that on an article or product there is MRP written, that is only the mark price, but we have to give less money on that mark price. We don't give the money according to MRP because we have discount on that product. For example, children, if the product cost rupees 100 and if I say I have given you a discount of rupees 20, that means the MRP is rupees 100 and I have given you the discount of rupees 20, then that product will cost 100 minus 20, which is equal to 80. That means you have to pay rupees 80. So the selling price of that product will be rupees 80. Understood, children? So now what is discount? Discount is a reduction given on mark price of the article. And what is marked price? Each item to be sold has a price tag on it. The price on that tag is called marked price. Shopkeeper offers discount on marked price. So to solve the problems for discount, we have to know these formulas. That is, selling price is equal to mark price minus discount. Discount is equal to marked price minus selling price. And if we have to find percent discount is equal to discount upon marked price into 100. Now, if mark price is rupees 1900, selling price is rupees 1750, then find the discount. Now, what is the mark price given? Mark price is given rupees 1900. And what is the selling price given? 1750. What have we to find out? The discount. Now, according to the formula, discount is equal to mark price minus selling price. So, 1900 minus 1750. When you subtract this, the discount is rupees 150. Now, let's see the second example. An item marked at rupees 840 is sold for rupees 714. What is the discount and discount percent? Now, here mark price is rupees 840 and the selling price is rupees 714. And what have you to find out? You are going to find out discount and percent discount. Correct. So to find out discount when marked price and selling price is given, what is the formula? Discount is equal to marked price minus selling price. So 840 minus 714, which will give you a discount of rupees 126. Okay, now you have found out discount. Now you are going to find out the percent discount. To find out percent discount, the formula is discount upon marked price into 100. So what was your discount? 126 upon what is your marked price? 840 into 100. After cancellation, you get 15%. Children, but you have to remember this. Discount depends on MRP and percent discount is also to be solved on marked price. You have to remember that with discount there is always marked price. Now let's see this sum. The list price of a frock is rupees 220 and discount of 20% is announced on sale. What is the discount on it and its selling price? Here children, they have given you the list price of the frock, that is 220, and they have also given you a discount. They have given you a discount of 20%. Now 20% on 220 is how much? First you are going to find out that is the discount, and then you are going to see that frock costed you for how much. Okay, so here your mark price is what? Rupees 220 and your discount is what? 20%. So first you are going to find out the discount. So discount is equal to percent discount of mark price, that is 20 upon 100 into 220. So after cancellation you get a discount of rupees 44. Now you have got a discount of rupees 44 and you have to see now that that shopkeeper is going to sell that frock for how much. So selling price is equal to marked price minus discount. Now what was your marked price? Your marked price was 220. So 220 minus what was the discount that you had found? That is 44. So 220 minus 44 is equal to rupees 176. So what was your discount children? Rupees 44. And what is the selling price? The selling price of that frock is rupees 176. Solve one more sum. After giving a discount of 20%, a sari is sold for rupees 1120. Find the mark price of the sari. Now children, here what they have given you? They have given you the selling price of the sari. They have given you the selling price of the sari is 1120 and they have given you discount 20% and you have to find out the mark price, that is MRP of the sari, that is the mark price of the sari. So as I had earlier told you that discount depends on MRP, that is marked price, and here we have to find out mark price. So here first let us assume mark price as 100. So if mark price is rupees 100, then discount is 100 minus 20, that is 20% of 100. That is 100 minus 20, which is equal to rupees 80. That means the selling price is rupees 80. So we can say if selling price is rupees 80, then the mark price is rupees 100. Now if selling price is rupees 1120, then mark price is how much? So let us assume mark price as X. So therefore 80 upon 1120 is equal to 100 upon X. Cross multiply. 80 into X is equal to 100 into 1120. Now you are going to find out the value of X. So 100 into 1120 upon 80. So after your cancellation you get the value of X, that is X is equal to 1400. Now what is X? X is mark price, that is the cost price of the sari. So the mark price of the sari is rupees 1400. So hope you have understood what is discount. Discount is a reduction given on mark price of the article. Children, now we'll continue with this chapter in our next session. Thank you. God bless.